I am small, but my purr alone is mighty and strong, like the lions of the land. Smell the sunflower my queen does hold, and when her lovin' makes the cold, hard rain fall, like the lions of the land. You will see the sons grow tall, and if I can't have your love for free, you too can be a lioness, majestic on your course, like the lions of the land. Just sit still and observe. You got this all wrapped up. Purr with content and roar only if the strength within you needs to shine, like the lions of the land. For I am a tomcat, full of feline instincts. May I purr or may I roar? The Queen of Wands is full of fire, light, and joy. So I sit and wait below her throne. She has me where she wants me, like the lions of the land. My purr alone is mighty and strong. My mane is of a sunflower turning towards her, and when her lovin' makes the cold hard rain fall, my majestic purr becomes a blur, until I can have your love for free, like the lions of the land.